baby.
My little reader.
Look, Dick. Look, Jane. Look. And see. See, baby. See. Oh. Look. And see. See, baby.
Good job. You're reading to Lola. She's listening. She's very proud of you, just like Mom and Dad are. Sissy, too.
What's Sissy?
She's at school.
Well, Emma's not seeing me.
Don't skip that page.
Spot. Hold on. Look, Jane. Look. See, baby. Oh. Funny, baby. Spotty. I love Spot.
Do ya? He's
Yeah,
a cute doggy, huh?
He's a cute dog.
Whoa.